Heartbreaks should never be a reason for us to give up. Sa umpisa talagang mahirap. Facing our fears, facing our grief, ang emotion mo during those moments is so overwhelming na kung ito lang talagang pairalin natin, matatalo tayo. The struggle was so hard. Siguro sabihin ng iba, kaartihan lang yan, kadramahan lang, napaka-sensitive mo naman. But unless ikaw makaranas nun, dun mo masasabi at dun mo maintindihan ng ibang tao. Sana naman, huwag nating husgahan ng mga tao may sariling struggle sa kanilang buhay. Instead, let us be kind. I would like to share to you my inspiration during those crazy moments of my life, which gives me hope and courage to keep moving forward. It says, everything happens for a reason. And indeed, it is. Sa umpisa talaga, mangangapa ka. Kasi marami ka pang hindi maintindihan. Ang hirap pang tanggapin. I would like to share to you a story. It happened 2 weeks after a traumatic betrayal happened in my life. After that incident, alam ko sa sarili ko na there's something in me that is not already functioning so well. I feel that I need a professional help during that time. So I submit myself. I talked to my psychiatrist and she diagnosed me as suffering from a post-traumatic stress disorder. It's not for everyone to comprehend, but that's what is happening to me at that moment. Gusto ko lang namang i-submit ang sarili ko kasi unang-una, I really wanted to get back my strength and gusto ko lang talaga makatulog ng mahimbing na sana, gusto kong makakain during that time. So, I had this first session with my doctor and sabi niya sa akin na hindi ko makakalimutan. Sabi niya sa akin, Fe, your 22 years is a sacrifice for the Lord. Nung sinabi niya yan, hindi ko maintindihan kung anong maramdaman ko during that time. Sobrang merong something na binunot sa puso ko na nakabaon sa malalim na parte sa matagal na panahon. And that very moment, I was able to embrace myself and I was able to accept what had happened to me. So I took the medications religiously and here I am in front of you. Hindi siya naging madali na journey, but after nung natanggap ko yung nangyari sa akin. Nag-umpisa na ako mag-aral. Inaral ko kung bakit yun nangyari, bakit yun ginawa sa akin, anong problema sa akin. And then, I was able to realize and learn na such behavior has nothing to do with me. And as nang natutunan ko na or nang nalaman ko na kung bakit nila nagagawa yung mga ganong bagay, bakit may mga taong nag-cheat, bakit may mga taong napaka-weak when it comes to temptations, na-realize ko na it has nothing to do with me. And na-realize ko na ang value ko, ang worth ko, and doon ako nag-umpisa. Pero hindi siya madali. But with God's guidance, I was able to survive it. Importante lang talaga ang pagtanggap. Pagtanggap at unang-una talaga na winork out ko is yung ayokong habang buhay mananahan ang galit, ang sakit, ang pagkamuhi sa kapwa ko. Maging kaibigan ko man yan o mga tao man yang nakasakit sa akin, ayoko magtanim ng galit. Kasi alam ko na hindi maganda para sa akin. So, right then and there, I promised myself to forgive everyone that have caused me pain. And also to forgive myself. And the moment na natanggap ko yun, sa ngayon, if I'm going to look back, ang masasabi ko lang is, I'm grateful. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa experience na yun. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa experience na yun, wala akong learnings, wala akong personal development, hindi ko matutunang mahalin ang sarili ko. Doon ako nag-grow sa experience na yun as a person. I learned to recognize my value, my worth. Ang daming nagbago. Sobrang I turn my pain into something great na it made me proud of who I am now. And kung i-look back ko, nakita ko yung strength ko na hindi ko akalain magkaroon ako. And then, greatest lesson na natutunan ko is just trust the process and hold on to God's promises na nandyan siya, hindi ka niya pababayaan. Kumapit ka lang sa kanya. There and then I realized na I am a blessing to anyone that comes along my way. Na-realize ko sana kung na-appreciate lang nila that I am a blessing that God put through in their life. A blessing for them to become a better person.